Hi friends, I'm here by my boat and I got a little complaint. So as you can see here, I bought myself a new roller for my boat and I'm totally disappointed. I got it from Amazon. You know, I had some old rollers. Look at this thing. Old, ugly, just terrible. It is a Stoltz, and here's what I got here. You can see there, it's a, oh, well, that's going to be backwards. Let's see if we, I got a Stoltz here, and this is a Stoltz RP 434. Trouble is nowadays, I'm only seeing the 535s available, which is just, you know, just numbers, so it really doesn't mean much to you. So this is probably equivalent to a 535. But I said, oh, all right, well, it was priced right. I think it was like 25 bucks if I decided to go with the Stoltz. It would have been somewhere in the neighborhood of, by the time I'm done, almost $90 to $100. So I decided to go ahead with the Amazon. But take a look at this. Look at the markings it's leaving on my boat. Even my older unit didn't do that. So I'm putting it back on. You can see the slime and it's just building up. The rubber's breaking down and it's leaving this scuffiness on my boat. So, big complaint. You get what you pay for with Amazon. You know, you save a few bucks. This is about the third or fourth thing that I've bought for the boat that I've been totally disappointed. Amazon's out to get you. You know, you might save some money, but you're not going to get quality product is the trouble. So let's get this thing off and make a change. All right, let's get our, gonna get our wrench here. All right, gonna reuse that. Put that over here. All right, so we're gonna see if we can clean this up a little bit. And nothing works better than magic eraser. You can see, like, even right up this line here, it just really marled it up. It's terrible. You know, this boat is pretty clean otherwise. So let's get some magic eraser and clean that off. This magic eraser is a boat's best friend. You see how nice that works. Trying not to scratch myself too much. All right, looks a lot better already. A little more elbow grease and get that taken care of. Magic eraser just takes it right off. This is worth the money. It's just so disappointing to me that Amazon is willing to allow companies like that to sell on their platform, but they don't know. That's what I'm thinking. They just flat out don't know. But boy, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Yeah, oh yeah, those scuffs look terrible. Now, magic eraser, just so you know, you definitely want to try not to really rub too hard on a boat. I have had times where it's taken the shine off the boat real bad. So magic eraser does the trick. If you have a boat, these are a must. You must have these. It will take up all kinds of grease and grime, and boats are dirty. They would think, but for something that's in the water and staying what you would think would be clean, no, you need this magic eraser to keep your boat clean. So let's finish this up, get our old roller back on, and I think I'm going to order up a Stoltz, and it's going to be, like I said, probably in the $100 range. Just a centerpiece alone is $45, and I think I'm going to have to switch over to the 535s instead of the 434s, which I know is just a bunch of numbers. You're like, what the heck are you talking about? But it fits the boat better. So I'm gonna have to deal with what they offer. I am not able to find those that other size any longer. It seems to be outdated. And that's my license plate, just in case you're wondering where I live. And whenever I use the magic eraser, I always like to throw a little wax on there. I know that's going to be reversed, but I like to throw a little wax over top the area because it does take a little bit of the wax off. It really does clean it really well. So that's pretty important to get this wax back on there. It'll seal that area back up so it won't get dirty again. Just get that shine back on it. So one of the other things I found is look at the difference in the length of the bolts. So big difference. I'll show you what we got here. Our giving. So that's holding a lot more of the front of the boat up than this piece of junk. So we're going back with the Stoltz. I know it's worn out and it's beat up a little bit, but boy, oh boy, this thing just was falling apart right off the bat. We're relying on that to keep the front of the boat down. So we're definitely going back with the Stoltz, and we'll probably order up a new one. This will get us back in the game. Okay, like I said, she ain't pretty, but she's gonna do the job. And we're gonna get this tightened back on here. All right, we got that thing back on.